Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge like your videos, your clips, and um, music, and like basically everything, ranging from like audio, photos, videos, to filters and effects into one single like track. So add in everything you want to add first, like the filters, and for instance, you want to add in an effect here as well. You can definitely do that like that. And once you're done adding everything, you're just going to basically select the like everything or press Control A on your keyboard. Then you're going to simply select right click and create compound clip. Now you can group them, but it won't turn them into like this one track like this. As you can see, if I just like, I don't know why this is here, but um um sorry, I say them a lot. Select everything, right click. You can also group them, but it's not going to turn them into one single clip like that. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!